Hello everyone, this is Guy and Helmers with Genome Studios, here with a not very intensive but really helpful little workflow improvement. So if you're having troubles with editing your level because the clip plane is effectively just carving out the whole game world, um, there's a real easy little solution to that. If you go and you create a new entity, we're going to call it uh, edit level camera just for the sake of it, and then we add a camera component. We can change the status to editor only, so when the gameplay starts it will actually just delete this or not allow it to exist. But what you can do now is in the viewport camera selector, select your edit level camera and just use it like you would a normal viewport editor camera, and this allows you to see quite a lot more, and it's quite helpful for all this kind of stuff. So yeah, get to level editing. See ya.